Hello everybody, welcome to you all. How are you? Hope you are well. Look at the figure, what you can see. You can see a capacitor and the lightning takes place over there. To see the above figure, you already have get an idea that today I am going to talk about the usage of static electricity and the danger of static electricity. This is my first session on the topic of chapter 10 for class 9. This video is presented by Muhammad Ashraful Islam, lecturer, Department of Physics, Milestone College. By the end of this lecture, you will able to explain the function of capacitor to preserve electric energy, can explain the uses of static electricity, at last can explain the strategy to be safe from the risk of the danger of static electricity. Now let's have a look. Capacitor, the electrical device which is used to store energy as an electric charge, is called electric capacitor. Here you can see a capacitor. There is no electricity in a capacitor, and when the capacitor is connected with the source, in that time the capacitor will receive energy from the source, and when the capacitor is connected with the bulb, in that time the bulb will be lighted. Where the capacitor will get energy, because the capacitor will store energy as an electric charge, that is why the bulb is lighted. Now I am going to talk about the construction of capacitor. There are different type of capacitor: parallel plate capacitor, spherical plate capacitor. Now in the figure you can see a parallel plate capacitor. In that figure, the two plate A and B made of the metal which is placed parallelly to each other, and the metal has both the charge in balance condition, and we have to insert electric insulator in between the two plate A and B. After that we have to connect the two plate A and B with the source. After completing the circuit, we can see the charge from the source will store in the plate of the capacitor. Now I am going to talk about the capacitance. The definition of capacitance is the amount of charge which is required to increase the potential of the capacitor by 1 unit is called capacitance. It is denoted by C. Let us see the diagram. In the diagram you can see the parallel plate capacitor. The first plate is connected with the positive ends of the source, and the second plate is connected with the negative ends of the source. And if you want to increase the potential of the capacitor by 1 unit, then we have to increase the charge. That means charge is proportional to the electric potential. So we can write Q proportional V. If we remove the proportional sign, then we can write Q equal C into V. Here C is the constant which is called capacitance, and if you want to calculate the value of capacitance, then the formula of capacitance will be C equal to Q by V. Here C is the capacitance, Q is charge which unit is coulomb, and V is electric potential which unit is volt. If you want to calculate the unit of capacitance, then you have to put the unit of charge and electric potential, and after putting the unit of charge and electric potential, we will get the unit of capacitance is coulomb per volt. There is another unit of capacitance which is farad. If we observe the figure, then if we observe the formula, then we can see that capacitance depends on charge and potential difference. Charge is proportional to the capacitance. That means if charge is increased, then the capacitance is also increased. If charge is decreased, the capacitance will be decreased. Similarly, if potential difference is increased, then the capacitance will be decreased, and if the potential difference is decreased, then the capacitance will be increased. Now store energy, the main function of the capacitor is to be store energy, and we have a formula to calculate the store energy, which is U equal to half C V square. Here U is the store energy, which unit is joule, C is the capacitance, and V is electric potential. There is another formula of store energy. Let us talk about the formula. If we put the value of capacitance C equal to Q by V in that formula, then we can write U equal to half into Q by V into V square, and after calculation we will get a formula of U, which is U equal to half into Q into V. That is another formula of store energy. That is the main formula of store energy, U equal to half C V square. If we put the value of V from that equation, C equal to Q by V, by changing the position C and V, we can write V equal to Q by C. And if we want to put the value of V in the formula of U equal to half C V square, then we can write U equal to half into C into Q by C whole square. And after calculation, we will get the formula of store energy, U equal to half Q square by C. So if you want to write all the formula of store energy at once, then we get U equal to half C V square equal to half Q V equal to half Q square by C. These three are the formula to calculate the stored energy. Now the uses of electric capacitor. Electric capacitor is used in the mobile phone, it is used in the motherboard of a computer, it is used in the electric fan, and it is also used in the electric motor. Now I am going to talk about the uses of static electricity. Nowadays painting spray is used to the color car, cycle or other thing with the help of static electricity. Let us talk about the electrostatic painting spray. How does it work? In the diagram you can see a color spray gun. One end of the color spray gun is connected with a source, and the another end of the color spray gun connect with the small nozzle, and the spray gun is made in such a way that it is produced very small charged particle of color, and the particles of the color is negatively charged, and you can see the surface of the car is also positively charged. As a result, the uniform layer of color is formed on the outer surface of the car. This is why a color takes place on the surface of the car. Hope you have understood. The photocopier machine. Nowadays photocopier or photocopy machine is very essential, and thus it is become very popular machine. Not only the educational institute and other office, but also general people use the machine to photo and any kind of necessary papers and documents. Static electricity is also used in that machine. Now the danger of static electricity. Lightning is one of the danger of static electricity. Let us talk about how the lightning takes place. We know that there is a water vapor in the atmosphere. This water vapor being condensed on the charged ion on the atmosphere and form water droplets and become charged with electrically. When this water droplet together, it will form a cloud, and cloud can be charged either positively or negatively. When two opposite charged cloud came close to each other, then electric discharge takes place between them and makes huge spark. This is called lightning or electric flash. The way to be safe from the thunderbolt. In order to protect the building from the lightning or thunderbolt, a lightning conductor or a arrestor is used. Here you can see a arrestor in the top of the building, which is protect the building from the lightning. arrestor is mainly made of iron having different shape, and another it is fixed with the top of the building, and another end of the arrestor is connected with the conducting wire which is go through the ground and connect with another copper rod. When lightning takes place, in that case the arrestor will attract the lightning and the all voltage will go through the conducting wire towards the ground, and the electronic equipments and other devices will save in the building or house. That is why arrestor is used in a building. Now the way to save petrol transporting truck. You can see here a petrol transporting truck, and the back of the petrol transporting truck a metallic chain is hanging with the truck. When the trucks move along the road, the petrol in the tank dashes against the inner surface of the tank and collides to and fro. As a result of this, the friction charge is stored in the petrol. If any spark takes place from the edge of the tank, it may cause a serious accident and may set a fire. So the charges of the petrol are not safe. Therefore, a chain is connected at the back of the tank so that the charge can pass through it to the ground easily, as metal is a good conductor. The process to be safe in the operation theatre. The necessary measures have to be taken to keep the surgeons, concerned pupil and the treatment equipments of the operation theatre in the hospital free from electric charges, as they attract the dirt and germs. This is why they have to wear a conductor shoes or of rubber and use rubber gloves so that the electron can pass through them to the ground. Loading the fuel into the aeroplane. When aeroplane flies in the air, it may electrify due to the friction with air. If the charge increases continuously, the potential difference between the aeroplane and the earth increases simultaneously. Due to this, a high potential difference will take place when a fuel is loaded. There is a possibility to release some charge to the ground which may create spark. This spark may lead the huge explosion. So here a grounded conductor is used, and this is why the wheels of the aeroplane is made of conductor rubber, so that the charge stored in the aeroplane can be released safely to the ground when lands. Why there is no direct connection between metal pillar and the electric line? This is the very important question. Let us talk about it. You can see in the figure there is no direct connection between the line and the pillar, because as metal are good conductor, the electricity of the wire may passes through the pillar to the ground if the pillar has no connection with wire. If anyone touches the pillar, then it could be immediately be electrified, causing serious accident. So the wire is connected to the pillar by a porcelain cup. This is the porcelain cup. Your today's homework. I have set 6 comprehensive based questions for your homework. The first question is why we are getting shocked during changing the clothes. Explain. The second question is why a metallic chain has to be hung touching the road with the petrol transporting truck. Explain. Why the television and the monitor becomes dirty quickly. And question number 4, why surgeons use rubber gloves in the operation theater? And question 5, why lightning arrestor is used in the top of the building? And final question is, write the uses of capacitor. Thank you for being with me.